In recent years, there has been an increasing trend among celebrities, athletes, and the general public towards hair transplant procedures. A prime example of this trend is the well-known footballer Dany Ings, who recently underwent a hair transplant.
Have opened the scoring through Dany Ings. 18 minutes on the clock, and it's a set piece that wasn't cleared, that came back with the second phase, that does the damage, the Hammers lead.
Dany Ings is a professional footballer who plays as a forward for Aston Villa in the English Premier League. Born on July 23, 1992, in Winchester, England, Ings has had a successful career, playing for clubs like Bournemouth, Burnley, Liverpool, and Southampton before joining Aston Villa. Throughout his career, Ings has demonstrated exceptional skill and determination on the field, earning him a reputation as one of the most reliable forwards in the league.
We'll have to face this from Dany Ings right at the end. Dany Ings delivers from the spot and reduces the deficit.
Despite his success on the field, like many others, Ings experienced hair loss, which can impact self-confidence and overall image. It is reported that Dany Ings recently underwent a hair transplant procedure at a London clinic, joining a list of other Premier League stars, including Rob Holding, Andros Townsend, Wayne Rooney, and Antonio Conte, who have also had the procedure.
Taking it down beautifully. Dany Ings for Liverpool! It's a magnificent finish at the top end, mark in a Liverpool shirt.
Hair loss and athletes. Hair loss is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, including athletes. The reasons for hair loss vary from person to person but can include genetic predisposition, hormonal imbalances, stress, and poor diet. Athletes, in particular, may experience increased stress levels and physical strain, which can contribute to hair loss. It is essential for athletes to maintain a positive self-image and high levels of self-confidence, as this can impact their performance on the field. As a result, many athletes, like Dany Ings, opt for hair transplant procedures to address their hair loss and improve their self-confidence. Dany Ings arrived at West Ham training after undergoing a hair transplant at a London clinic. He expressed happiness with the process. The former Southampton striker is not the first star in the Premier League to have the procedure. The appearance of an individual, especially public figures like athletes and celebrities, can significantly impact their self-confidence and, consequently, their professional lives. Hair loss can be a sensitive issue for many, and undergoing a hair transplant can drastically improve one's self-esteem. This renewed confidence can positively affect an individual's performance, both on and off the field.
Ings again, the target, has managed to flick on. Oh, brilliantly done! Magnificent from Dany Ings!